Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get money off your Bluebird card. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. Walmart, in conjunction with American Express, offers Bluebird debit cards to consumers looking for a convenient and effective way of managing their finances. One of the great features you can access as a Bluebird member is easy money withdrawal from over 32,000 ATMs across the country and beyond. Here's how to do it. Find an ATM that accepts American Express debit cards. Look for an ATM that accepts American Express debit cards. Insert your Bluebird card into the machine. Follow the on-screen prompts to execute the withdrawal. Input your PIN and collect your money and receipt. Once prompted, input your PIN and collect your money and receipt. Does withdrawing from your Bluebird card have a fee? Yes. If you remove money from your Bluebird card with an out-of-network ATM, the transaction will cost $2. Also, if you're not enrolled in direct deposit, you must pay the service charge. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can withdraw your money from your Bluebird card. Thanks for watching. Until next time.